This is the morning after yesterday's atmospheric river rain event. If you've never experienced one, check it out on Wikipedia. It is bunches of water coming from the sky in a short time frame, and we had winds on top of it, and then in the evening we had thunderstorms. So we were pretty much expecting that this waterfall and stream would reflect the amount of rain that we got in such a short period of time, just in a day's time. It didn't start until the afternoon. We managed to get our walk done, get home, have breakfast, go to our weekly grocery shopping at Safeway, and get back home before the rain started. And I'm so glad we did, because the wind was nasty along with the heavy rainfall. Did not want to be on the road at that time. So look at the power of this the lower waterfall of the stream next to Alviso Adobe Park. But look at how it's going. Just a big difference from yesterday, because we took one yesterday as well. Wow.
Okay, I'm at Alviso Adobe Park, way off in the distance towards Eurydius Ranch Road. Got a pair of raptors up on the utility line. Seem awfully big, so possibly they're turkey vultures instead of red-tailed hawks. Oh, we got a third. Looky, wow, what the heck? We got is that battle or courtship? Holy cow. And of course now I've got rain starting on me. I should shut down to protect the camera, but I don't want to stop this. Wow. Okay, the third went over and perched in the top of that tree. And rain's getting too serious, so shutting it down. So again, on the easternmost portion of Eurydius Ranch Road. Upstream portion. He went quiet on us when I walked over this way. We had a nice bullfrog just singing away. This is behind the old well house at Alviso Adobe Park. Okay, I repositioned. Again, there's the well house. There's the adobe house. And our waterfall a little more visible today. Repositioned a bit. Hey, halfway up the hillside, just south of Last Word Ranch, one of the red-tailed hawks just perched on a pole or dead tree. At first I didn't notice it. For some reason I thought, well, it just doesn't seem quite right. I don't know, you be the judge.
Okay. There she goes.
You following?
Trying. She went to the tree.
Disappeared in the tree.
Disappeared in the tree. Anyway, in the nesting tree is the red-tailed hawk who had gone to the hillside and then up to another fence post. I was trying to video her there, and then she flew to this nesting tree.
One just flew up there.
Okay. Palm tree. Last Word Ranch. Red-tailed hawk. Oops, 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 there she is. Okie dokies.